Okay, this is the Magical Pharmacist book nook by Cutebee. It's a do-it-yourself book nook. This is my favorite so far. This was really fun to put together. It did take me, I would say, 2 full days if you were to just spend 2 full days doing it. Didn't really run into a lot of problems, and it's really cute. It has lots of things to put in it. So this will be linked in the TikTok shop. And just so you can see, the electrical to this, the best part, is already hooked up. So all you have to do is put it wherever it needs to go. You don't have to actually connect electrical wires, which for me, I thought was going to save a lot of time. But this comes with so many detail extras that can be done that were really fun. I thought it was a lot more fun doing the things, look at the spirit realm, that you could put together and put detail on versus electrical work. So this was already hooked up. You just had to put the batteries in and then, put the wires and the lights wherever they say to. The all the little things that you can put in here and make are so cute. The directions I thought were really great. You can see the book there on the floor. I inked that, so I take stamping ink and age a lot of the furniture pieces. And actually, I think I did almost all of them. And then I usually sand the furniture pieces down too to make them look old, and then ink on top of that. So everything that this came with, I really loved. So I didn't do anything different with the walls. The walls were cool. The ceiling was cool. I kept the current floor. A lot of times you'll see that I'll actually take my own cardstock and material, but this already came with a lot of extras. And remember, you don't have to do this the way it says. To make it work, you do, but for how you want it to look, you can do it however you want. You can put the items in here wherever you want. I pretty much did this according to the directions so that people could see what it would look like. But keep in mind, if you do decide to do something different with the furniture, that whatever you're going to do with the furniture, it's still going to fit. This comes with a dust cover, which I thought was awesome. So there's a space left between the front, and you can slide this awesome clear, really sturdy plastic, and the dust will stay out of your book nook. I love this one. It's my favorite so far. I know I've said that quite a bit. So the link will be in my TikTok shop to get this Magic Pharmacist. A great, amazing gift. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this one. And if you don't have or can't shop in the TikTok shop, if you click my link tree under my bio, I do have a link that goes right to Cutebee, which is the company I'm working with for these. So check it out, enjoy, have fun, and I would love to see what everybody's doing. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will be having some videos coming out showing me putting this whole thing together. It'll be several different videos, but have fun, everyone.